those who arrived came here with nothing more than dreams of a brighter sun that could make their shadows run. All of their hopes were doomed, 'cause for us they're intruders, and all of their high thoughts about us were just illusions. They could not find a way into our closed hearts. So they're forced to crawl back into the dark. We're full of doubt, scared of the cost in our own life. But those who arrived, they've already paid the highest price for a brighter sun that could make their shadows run. Those who arrived, all of their hopes were doomed, 'cause for us they're intruders, and all of their high thoughts about us were just illusions. They could not find a way into our closed hearts. So they're forced to crawl back into the dark.